wish you a very happy new year 2019. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing absolutely fine. A very good morning to all of you. तो अभी बज रहे हैं सुबह के 10:17. So this video is not about any travel destination or food exploration. In this video I'm going to just show you some gears I bought for my upcoming vlogs or to make my videos better. So from now on we'll be making 2 videos per destination, which will explain 2 or 3 videos max. So one video will tell you about the journey, where I'll be explaining you people that how the roads are, what are the places to see around. So वो हो गया एक part. Second part is the destination, where we'll see the places and explore the places. And the third part will be the food exploration. So I'll not combine these 3 into one video because it's making the video very lengthy. Within 10 minutes रखने का try करेंगे. So that's the plan for now. Other than that, the street food videos or food tripping videos will keep coming. बाकी हम एक 300 subscribers पे एक giveaway करने वाला हूँ मैं. So just stay tuned to my Instagram handle and put your comments in the video. So I'll be picking the winner from the comments.
So ये है बोया का BY MM-1 universal cardioid microphone. Also we call it as shotgun mic. तो अभी इसको अनबॉक्स करते हैं. तो ये compatible है with phone, all your smartphones, then iPad, then laptops, DSLRs, also handycams. So let's unbox this, and this will enhance our sound quality for the videos, upcoming videos. So this is what you will get inside the packet. So you will get this is the mic and the cash. So we'll take out the mic from this. ये है माइक बेसिकली. तो आप देख सकते हो इसे, ये है बोया का MM-1 माइक. इस पे ये 3.5 mm जैक है. इसका इधर 3.5 mm जैक एंड द अदर वे आल्सो 3.5 mm जैक है. काफ़ी अच्छा प्रीमियम बिल्ड क्वालिटी है इसका. आई गॉट इट फॉर वेरी लेस प्राइस फ्रॉम Amazon, सो आई ऑर्डर्ड इट. एंड यू विल गेट दिस क्लीनिंग क्लॉथ. व्हाट एल्स? दिस अ कैट, द jack, basically audio jack. You'll connect it here and one more in your phone or DSLR. So they give 2 cables in case you need one more. So basically this has this elasticy thing, and this has normal wire. So yeah, so you get 2 things. ये हो गया ये mount इसके ऊपर. So you can see this is the cold shoe mount. ये इसको hold कर रहा है यहाँ पे. The build quality of this is very premium. I'll say for beginners like me, I'm a beginner also. So this is a very good product to vlog. And also you get this for your noise cancellation, I'll say. Background noise when you vlog, basically there will be background noises. और ये एक pouch देते हैं ये to carry this. So this is also a very good carrying pouch by Boya. It is written Boya over here. Okay, so I got this Ulanji. This is the mount. So इसमें क्या है, ये बहुत ज़्यादा प्रीमियम क्वालिटी का है. तो ये Amazon's choice था. So I saw very good reviews about it, so I bought it. This is very good quality, all metal. Over here it has this cold shoe mount where this will go fit in then you just have to tie this thing. From now on I'll be using this product, so I'll just do the setup and I'll show you how it looks. उसके बाद थोड़ा बातें करते हैं, then उसके बाद मैं आपको बताता हूँ इस मंथ का प्लान और where I'm visiting this month and क्या vlogs आने वाले हैं. So guys, अभी मैं vlog कर रहा हूँ बोया के MM-1 माइक पे. होपफुली ऑडियो क्वालिटी काफ़ी बेहतर है प्रीवियस वीडियोस से, और ये काफ़ी करीबन मेरे एक हाथ के डिस्टेंस पे है. डेफिनेटली एक गुड परचेज विच विल मेक माई वीडियोस ऑडियो क्वालिटी बेटर. तो इसके लिए मैंने ये लिया. दिस इज़ द ऑकी वाइड एंगल लेंस आई एम यूजिंग, सो टू प्रोवाइड अ बेटर व्यू वाइल व्लॉगिंग और बेटर वाइड एंगल while vlogging. So this is again Aukey. You can see this is the Aukey lens. Okay, so that was Aukey lens. Other than that, I have this SJ cam. Okay, so this is my setup for now for my vlogs. So do stay tuned to the channel. Do hit the like button if you like this video. Also, upon reaching 300 subscribers, as I told in this video, we'll be doing a giveaway, small giveaway. That will be my love to you people, because you people have made me reach to such a goal. A 300 subscriber goal is not easy. Please follow me on Instagram. So this is my Instagram ID, Explorewith Asit, Explorewith_Asit. So definitely मुझे वहाँ पर फॉलो करिए. मेरे स्टोरीज में बताते रहूँगा. Over this weekend I am traveling to Kerala, so Kerala vlogs will be coming just after this video. So I'll try to explore as much as possible. आपको एक दिन में जितना हो सके दिखाऊंगा, वो ट्राई करूंगा. सो डेफिनेटली अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक बटन दबा दो. अगर आप इस चैनल में नए हो तो प्लीज़ गाइस, और लाल कलर का बटन है, सब्सक्राइब लिखा हुआ है, प्लीज़ प्रेस कर दो. पैसे नहीं लगते. अगर आप मेरे चैनल्स पे जो भी वीडियो आए उसका नोटिफिकेशन चाहते हो, या फिर आप चाहते हो कि आपको नोटिफिकेशन पहले मिले, तो प्लीज़ बेल बटन पर क्लिक करिए. Thank you so much for watching this video, and as always, keep loving, keep exploring. Love your family. Take care. Bye bye.